A very hello and welcome to all of my friends. Myself, Professor Vivi Uttarwar from Kekewak College of Food Technology, Nasik. So, guys, I am with a new video on fruit-based beverages from subject processing of beverages. The course number is FPT 237 from the degree course of Food Technology, that is BTech Food Technology. Okay, so in that case, from processing of beverages, I was explaining about fruit-based beverages. In my previous video, I have explained about fruit-based beverages, and this is the next part of these fruit-based beverages. So, we'll continue. So, before going to my exact point of non-fermented type of beverages, I should explain what is the introduction. What was the introduction of that product? Okay, so fruit based beverages are nothing but the beverage made from real fruit juice along with the added sugar, preservative, food coloring agent in which have ability to give thirst quenching, refreshing, stimulating and nourishing qualities. Okay, so when there is a use of real fruit juices in the final product or in the preparation of beverages, they are becoming fruit based beverages. So uh, after that, uh, we have gone through type of fruit beverages, in that unfermented beverage and fermented type of beverages. So in my last video I have explained about unfermented beverages. So this is video is for about fermented type of beverages. So let me explain what was type of fermented beverages. There is wine, cedar, fenny, berry wine, orange wine, perry, muscat, tokay, sherry, port and champagne. Okay, so these are nothing but the type of alcoholic beverages prepared from the real fruits. So these fruit juices are uh, fermented, or they have gone fermented, and the alcohol is produced in such type of product. So one by one we will see what are these products. So the fermented beverages. What is mean by fermented beverage? The fruit juice which have undergone the alcoholic fermentation by yeast includes the wine, champagne, port, sherry, tokay, muscat, perry, orange wine, nira and cedar. So fermented beverages are nothing but fruit juice when undergoes fermentation process, or alcoholic fermentation process are nothing but alcoholic product or alcoholic beverages. So these are fermented type of beverages. In that, the major thing, the first one, that is wine. So wine generally denotes the product produced by fermentation of grape juice. The most satisfactory definition seems to be wine is beverage resulting from the fermentation by yeast of grapes juice with the proper processing and addition. The following are the well-known wines produced in various countries. So some wines are there with specially produced in specific country. So basically what is meant by wine? Wine is the beverage resulting from fermentation of yeast of grape juice with proper processing and addition. So there are two types of wine generally available, the red wine and white wine. So generally red wine is prepared from the red grapes or black grapes, and the white wine is prepared from white grapes or yellowish grapes. Okay, so these are coloring of this wine is due to the skin of that grapes. In red wine, the skin of grapes is available for the preparation or while production. That's why the final color of that wine is red or somewhat dark pinkish. But in case of white wine, only juice is extracted, and that is used for the preparation of wine. So that's why there is a no coloring, or generally called as white in color. So these two types of wine are available. So the other wines are champagne. So it is a sparkling wine made chiefly in France from certain varieties of grapes such as Chardonnay and Pinot Noir. It is made in other countries as well. The fermentation is allowed to proceed the completion in bottle, which are specially made to withstand high pressure of gas produced during fermentation. So basically champagne is prepared in France. So majorly or chiefly in France, but nowadays it is also prepared in other countries too. And the speciality of this champagne is the fermentation is allowed to proceed to completion in bottles. So the fermentation process is generally carried out in uh, large um, wooden barrels. Okay, so basically whenever the wines are prepared, the fermentation is carried out in oak barrel or wooden barrels. But in case of champagne, they are bottle fermented, and the bottles also made such that there is a speciality that they can withstand high pressure of gas produced during fermentation. Next type is port. Okay, so the word port is taken from the country naming, that is Portugal. Okay, so this port is originally from Portugal. It is a type of red wine and it is sweet in taste, but nowadays in other countries also it is available and prepared. Next, that is a sherry, a Spanish wine matured by placing the barrels for 3 to 4 months in sunlight where the temperature is as high as 54 to 60 degrees Celsius. So it is a type of Spanish wine. The country or generally Spanish wine is called as sherry. So these type of barrels are generally kept in sunlight for 3 to 4 months and temperature is raised up to 54 to 60 degrees Celsius. Then there is a Tokay. Tokay is very famous fortified wine made in Hungary. Next, there is a muscat. So it is prepared from the muscat grapes in Italy, California, Spain, and Australia. So the muscat grapes are nothing but the species of grapes, that is Vitis vinifera, okay, or Vitis vinifera. So these type of species or grapes of that species are called as muscat grapes, and from that muscat grapes this muscat wine is prepared. And the country specially given is countries are Italy, California, Spain, and Australia. Next wine is Perry wine. So Perry wine made from the pears is known as Perry. Its method of preparation is similar to that of apple cider. The waste, curds, fruits, and then trimmings left over from canning may also be used for preparation of this Perry wine. So the pears are generally used. So before that I have explained about grapes. So but Perry wine is prepared from pears. Next, orange wine. Orange juice is sweetened by adding sugar and then allowed to ferment. The method of preparation is similar to that of grape wine. Orange oil should not be added to the juices as it hinders and sometimes stop fermentation. So oil sometimes prevent fermentation, that's why the orange oil is not added here. Only orange juice is added with the sugar and it is allowed to ferment. So this type of wine or drink is prepared from orange. Next, there is a berry wine. Wines which are prepared from berries like strawberry, blackberry are known as berry wines. These products are generally popular in other countries but not common in India. So berry wine is quite different for India or new for India, and it is used in other countries, that is strawberry, blackberry. So these are called as berry wines. Then Nira. So it is prepared from juice of palm tree. So generally palm tree juice is extracted or uh, after proper development of that palm in their proper season. This nira is collected in handis. So these handis are attached to the that nira palm tree, and after the sap which is extracted from that tree, it is collected and that was fermented. So such type of nira is generally available in Maharashtrian side also and in various parts of Indian localities. Okay, so this is a nira. It is a quite colorless type of product and uh, mostly liked by Indian people. Then Feni. Feni, it is fermented wine made up of cashew apple in Goa. So after harvesting of cashew nuts, The remaining leftover cashew apples are grinded and their juice is extracted. This juice is fermented in large tanks, okay, and this fenny or cashew apple wine is prepared. Then there is a cider. It is a mostly prepared by fermentation of special grade of apples which have high tannin content about 0.1 to 0.3%. However, a great deal of confusion exists as far as the apple cider is concerned. In USA, apple cider means non-clarified apple juice. So generally cider is prepared from apple. So this is a type of wine which is prepared from apple. So except grapes, there are other fruits are used for the preparation of fermented type of beverages. So this is all about the fermented type of fruit based beverages. If anyone has any doubt, query, please comment me in comment section. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.